Hey guys, Raphael here with Nova Cleaners. Let's talk about how to properly clean your grout lines. All right, so first step, you gotta make sure you do a very thorough vacuuming of the entire floor. Either that or you can do a thorough sweeping, but you gotta make sure all of that stuff is lifted as much as possible. Number two, make sure you use a proper chemical to help degrease the entire floor. So using something that works well if you're doing this for home use, even just using Dawn dish soap and hydrogen peroxide works super good as far as grout cleaning goes. So all you gotta do is take that chemical, add it in a pump sprayer, something like this here, and then you can just go ahead and spray all of the grout lines and give that some dwell time so the product can work on lifting all that dirt from the grout. Now the third step is very important, and this is my favorite go-to item. It's a grout brush. So you can buy these at different locations, but you can see the way this is shaped. It's meant for perfect use for grout brushes, for grout lines, sorry. So you can take these and attach them to a broom handle. So you got something like this. And that makes for easy scrubbing of all the grout. So then you can go ahead and thoroughly agitate all that chemical into the grout and help lift everything out from it. Now that those steps are complete, you will see how much progress you're making on the grout lines as far as the dirt that's coming out of it goes. So what you want to do is take a shop vac, make sure you attach a wet filter onto it so you can use it to pick up the water. Then you go ahead and pick up all the excess water, but also the chemical residue that's left behind. Make sure you do a thorough cleaning of that. Now at this point, you should have grout lines that look pretty solid if you've done a proper scrubbing and used a great chemical. And once you've sucked everything up with the shop vac, you will see some imperfections. Now, what I like to do is using a steam cleaner to go ahead with a brush attachment and getting all the steam through the grout lines, making sure that it's nice and clean, and it also helps break any more of that chemical residue off. And then you can go ahead to the last step. And the last step is properly mopping with just water, making sure you pick up any sort of chemical residue, working out any other imperfections, and making sure everything is properly mopped. Final bonus tip, when you're cleaning grout lines, never assume they are clean until they are fully dry. That's the ultimate sign.